Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this guide, I'll be showing you guys how to get Pojavlauncher for iOS and Android. So this lets you play Java Minecraft on your phone. It's probably available pretty easily, but not on an iPhone. But as you can see, I have it right there. So I'm going to show you how to download it. So as you can see, we got all the versions and stuff. So it's super cool. So if you guys are interested, keep watching and I'll show you guys how to download it. You can see right here, we got versions. We got properties, we got all this stuff. So it is fully working, guys, Pojavlauncher. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're gonna do, guys, is go to the site. So I'm pretty sure the site is right here. So let me just type it in. I'm not 100% sure this is where it is though, so don't get mad at me. Yeah, so it's on tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So it's tweakmod.com. Alright, go search bar, type pojav, and as you can see, there it is. So press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load up. As you can see, so yeah, it's loading up right now. So we're just going to let it load. As you can see, so let's just give it a second for this to load. Alright, and now it's going to take us to that verification page where we just have to download 2 of the apps and we're going to be all set. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, additional files are required. So we just have to download 2 of these. It doesn't have to be the same ones, but just make sure you do 2 of them. So like Mode Casino, Travel Town, whatever. After you do that, the Pojavlauncher should be installed on your phone, and there is a video you can watch right here, but it's pretty cool. So that's how to get it for your device. So be sure to try it out, guys. It fully works, and that's how you can get the Pojavlauncher installed right now, bro. Fully working.